All right, it's this is 2008 Ford F250 6.4. I installed this EGR delete kit probably a month ago. Just got the oil for it, changed it, new filter, put distilled water in it. That way later on I could flush it out and then put the right stuff in it. It's still knocking, so I'm gonna have to remove the valve covers and take this turbo stuff off. So fuck, I hate to do that, but I gotta see if anybody knows where this noise is coming from. Everything looks good as far as the EGR delete. None of the plugs are leaking. There's one right here. Let me see if I can get it. Fucking battery. Okay. There's another water plug right there. And then the exhaust block off plate. Let me get my hand out of the way. It is right there. To me, it sounds like the noise is coming from the number 8 cylinder on the driver's side. It doesn't sound like it's on the passenger side that much, but since it's so loud inside the engine bay, I can't tell. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it on real quick and let you hear that knocking noise. It idles up whenever I give it gas, so I'm thinking it's a rocker arm or fuck, hopefully nothing serious. So let me turn it on real quick and see if you can hear the noise. It's throwing a check engine light code too. Because when I do the EGR delete, I don't have the delete tune for it yet. So before I get the delete, I want to at least fix this noise, just in case I have to change the oil and all this other shit. So let me turn it on real quick. Let me cycle through. Check the system. And whenever I got it, my uncle came and put the computer to it. It wasn't showing that much of a difference on each cylinder as far as compression goes. So I don't know if the rock arm would affect that in any way, but let me show you the noise. Turbos either, as far as turbo shafts or anything like that. So I still gotta put the clamp on right there. But rev it up too to show you the noise. Watch out, Skylar. Sit down, baby. Yeah, I don't want to rev it up too much just in case something's already damaged as it is. So let me know what you think.